Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are healthy and happy. Today, we are going to start the last concept of chapter 2nd. The name of this chapter is Flash. In the previous videos, we got knowledge about the symbols as well as the different types of frames and how we can insert any frame in the timeline and the input text and the type of the text which we were used in the Flash. So our today topic is basic of Flash animation. First, let's start the reading. At the time of working in Flash, you will find it really necessary to create simple animation sequences. Flash animations are basically of three types. Here, they told us how many Flash animation, the three types of Flash animation that is used in the time of working in the Flash. The first is motion tween, second shape tween, and third frame by frame animation. The first one is the motion tween. The motion tween displays the motion of an object between more than two keyframes. More than two keyframes, the motion tween that display represent the motion of any object. For motion tween, take the following steps. First, create a new document. Second, select the oval tool from the toolbar and create medium-sized circle and fill it with color. You can see here, to select any oval shape tool from the toolbar and create medium-sized circle and fill the color. Here they give us the note. Tween allows you to select the type of tweening. Here the tween that allows you to choose any type of tweening. Select frame 20 on the timeline. Next, choose insert option from the menu bar and click on keyframe or press F6. You can use the shortcut from the keyboard for insert the option. Click on the keyframe, the F6. It will insert a keyframe that contains the same content as that of frame 1. Move the circle to the right side of the stage. Here, move the circle at the right side of the stage. Next, click anywhere between the keyframe. Click anywhere between the keyframe to click and insert option, then timeline. After that, create motion tween. You can use the shortcut, press Ctrl plus Enter key to play the animation. To play the animation, you can use the shortcut Ctrl plus Enter key. Here, you can select anywhere from the keyframe, the size. It will in the center. And the second type of the tween is the shape tween. For shape tween, follow the steps to make a shape tween animation by using the shape option from the tween panel of the properties inspector. From the properties inspector, you can create any shape, then the tween animation by using the shape. Next, draw a small circle on the first frame and move its border. Move the border of the first frame and draw a small circle. Click on the 10th frame in the timeline and insert a keyframe F6. Click on the 10th frame in the timeline and then insert any keyframe. Now, draw another shape, example a diamond, by using the rectangle tool without border. Without a border, in the keyframe, you remove the border and insert the diamond, a diamond from the rectangle tool without any border. So is seen like it. Here you can see. Next, save your work and test the movies from this. Now, right click on the any frame in the between these two keyframes and select shape option from the tween panel of the property. From the tween panel of the properties, just select the shape and you can see your work and test the control node. Here they give us the note only vectors may be shaped as tween, not symbols. Not symbols. We learn about the symbols in the previous video. Only vector may be shaped, not the symbols cannot be shaped as the tween. The third one is frame by frame animation. The frame by frame animation that is used to change the context of each frame. For creating a frame by frame animation, you need to define every frame as a keyframe. So here they mention to create a frame by frame animation, you need to define the every frame as a keyframe. For frame by frame animation, you follow the next step. Create a plain text by using any of the drawing tools. Type the word twinning and break it by using break apart. Ctrl+V is the shortcut key. Press it so as to separate the alphabets and shown below. Like to separate to break the twinning in the section. It breaks. Next, in frame by frame animation, we create the object for every frame so as to produce an animation sequence. We create the object for every frame. Next, insert a keyframe and use the shortcut key F6 for first character of the alphabet and move that character so as to produce an animation. Next, repeat the above step for each character of the alphabet so as to create a frame by frame animation and save your work and test the movie. Ctrl+Enter to play the movie. As you can see, it breaks. So this is the end of your chapter 2, and I also sent you the solved exercise with this movie. To write down the exercise on your notebook in neat and clean handwriting. After that, I take your self-assessment test of the chapter 2, like you gave me the first chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.